This is the VisionButler. It's a single-use cheek retractor, and I'm going to just talk you through how we use it. This is the front surface. You can see here we've got a flat edge at the bottom. This allows us to avoid the freener of the lower lip, and at the top you've got much more room. So we'll call this the labial surface, and we'll call this the buccal surface. On the inside you can see it's nice and smooth and all the edges are round, and the inside's much more flexible and tapered and soft. Now, when you're inserting this, the best way to do it is to fold the VisionButler. So you can see it's like so, and we're going to get this edge and this edge behind the teeth and then pull them forwards. So let's show you. Open wide, so they go inside, and then you just flip and flip, slowly close, bite together. Now I know you can't talk very well, but how does that feel?
Good.
Is it comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay, bite together. The beauty is it doesn't come out because the buccal portions retain it, a little bit like a diver's mouthpiece. You can retract to the side so you can get a better view buccally. You can retract to the other side. Now when the patient opens, you can see here you have plenty of space to get in, and I'm going to show you now how it works with a CEREC camera, for instance, but you can use this for orthodontics, for anterior fillings, crowns, veneers, implants. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to ask Fergal to bite together, bite hard, stay in contact. I'm going to take a buccal registration with the prime scan. So it's really nice. You can just run your camera in, no hands, and you can push to one side, and get the bite on the other side, go upper, sweet, that's easy. Okay, so now we're going to take an upper jaw, open wider for me. Very simply, we'll start on the inside. You can push with the camera, takes the cheek out of the way. I'm going to come around the other side to finish that.